Hi, this is Richard. Welcome back to another Photoshop tip. Today we're going to talk about changing the colors of items in your photo, either changing multiple things in your photo or just one particular item in your photo that you wish to change the color of. And we're going to do it non-destructively with an adjustment layer. So let's get started here. I have just an ordinary picture of some flowers and the sunshine here. And I'm going to click on this little half moon you see down here. There's the icon, and I choose, let's see, hue saturation layer. There we go. So now we have an adjustment layer for for the flower photo. And now I'm going to click on the little finger right here with the arrows either side. And you can see this way I can, when I slide across the flower, I can adjust the saturation of the flowers, but that's actually not what I'm going to do today. I'm going to instead adjust the hue, but you see in the process there I've just selected the yellows. So now if I slide the hue slider one way or another, see now I'm changing the flowers to orange, and so now they're a pretty orange color. Let's look at the before and after. Here's the before, here's the after. Now, one of these flowers, by the way, just so you won't be caught off guard, one of them was already orange. This one right here, so just a little heads up. Anyway, enable the hue saturation layer again, and there the orange is back. And I can set that to any hue I want just by changing that slider. I think maybe something like this is believable. And then I can adjust the lightness of the color or whatever I want to do there, like this. Okay, but what if I just want to change one of the flowers? And I don't want to change all of the colors, just one of them, make it stand out from the others. That's not a problem. I'll tell you what I'll do is I'll put my selection here on this layer mask. And let's see, black is my foreground color. So with the layer mask selected, I'm going to hit Option Delete. And what that did is it filled my layer mask with black, or my foreground color. And now what we're seeing is we're just seeing straight down to the flowers layer, as if this hue saturation layer didn't even exist. So I can make it enabled or disabled, and does it make a difference? But now what I can do is I can hit the X key to switch colors. Now white is my foreground color. I'm going to hit B for brush. And now I'm just going to paint on one of the flowers. I'll paint with white here on this flower. And because it's now showing, you see the mask has this little white dot here. That's where I've painted with white on the mask. And it's caused you to see the hue saturation layer just in that one spot. So now I have a red or orangish flower right there among all the other yellows, and it just really stands out. If I select the hue saturation layer again, I can go back and once again change the color and sliding the hue. See, I can make it purple if I want. There we go, some kind of interesting color like that. So now that one purple flower stands out. I'm not saying this is a great photo by any means. I'm just saying you could do that if you wanted to with hue saturation layers, and selectively, choose the color of just one item or multiple items in the photo, or you could change the color of everything in the photo if you fill the layer with white, the layer mask with white again. So to change another flower, I would just go up here and once again I'm going to paint with white here on this flower, and you see that would change that one to purple as well. Or I could hit X to go back to the color black, and once again paint and bring it back to yellow. So that's all there is to it. Just changing colors of items in your photo, and you're doing it non-destructively. It's very easy. This is Richard, and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you found this useful, and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.